Welcome to the 152nd episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. In the last episode, we have discussed about the fear, one of the basic emotions. So, the fear, as already pointed out, is due to the illusion effect or covering up fear, covering up a mistake in the process, leading to a series of mistakes, and hence the fear, the tremors felt in the faculty of discretion. So the fear is also a result of a mismatch state of karmacharana. That means the soul chooses positive energy and the karmacharana is executed in negative energy polarity, and vice versa. So next emotion is sadness. Sadness is due to the depression, abuse, or due to a conflict, a loss of a person, a death, the excessive use of alcohols or drugs. So sadness is due to the mismatched state of karmacharana. So in the matched state of karmacharana, there is nothing to feel sorrow about. There is no need for abuse. There is no need for depression. That means soul chooses positive energy and karmacharana is in the direction of negative energy, or the soul chooses negative energy and karmacharana is executed in positive energy. That is called mismatched state of karmacharana. The excessive negative energy that flows in a mismatched state is sadness. So let us move on. Next nama is Tanumadhya, the harmonious state of northbound and southbound forces, or what is known as Sivasekta Samarasya, manifesting in Vishnu Grandhi, that is called Tanumadhya. So if we expand the letters of Tanumadhya, it is Tha plus Na plus U plus Ma plus Da plus Ya. Put together is Tanumadhya. Southbound water and earth elements of Panchabrahma extending into the Vishnu Grandhi and balancing the tamogunas or heavy duty action items. In the process, the fire element of personality or ego acting as a bridge between the knots of Brahma Grandhi and Vishnu Grandhi. Fully blossomed lotus flower of Visuddhi after getting saturated in Kamalatmika Vidya, extending up to Manipura Chakra and getting connected with the fire element of personality. All these effects put together or offered as a package is Tanumadhya. That means the balancing of southbound elements, southbound forces with the tamogunas in Brahma Grandhi, the fire element acting as a bridge between Brahma Grandhi and Vishnu Grandhi, the lotus flower of Visuddhi extending up to Manipuraka. All this put together offering an impression on the personality, that is Tanumadhya. Tha means tamoguna or heavy duty action items residing in Brahmagrandhi. Nu means water element of southbound Panchabrahma manifesting in Vishnu Grandhi. Ma means the earth element of southbound Panchabrahma in Sahasrara. Da means blossomed 16 petal Visuddhi lotus that performs filtering action. And Ya means the fire element of personality, that is northbound, that is Narayana personality, Narayani personality. The acoustic spectrum of Pranava, or what is known as Omkara, consists of three phases, namely Akara, Ukara, and Amkara. Akara is connected to Brahmagrandhi, Ukara is connected to Vishnu Grandhi, and is connected to Rudra Grandhi. The region between Brahmagrandhi and Vishnu Grandhi, consisting of Manipuraka Chakra as well as Anahat Chakra. What acoustic characteristics does this region represent? The acoustics of Akara are initiated in Brahmagrandhi, and after reaching Manipuraka Chakra gets an extension and transforms as A, that is extension of A. The acoustics of extended A or A further get transformed to E after reaching Anahat Chakra and after getting influenced by the rotation of Anahat Chakra. The acoustics of E assume the shape of U when it encounters the knot of Vishnu Grandhi. Grandhi means knot. Hence the Nama Tanumadhya. Through this Nama Tanumadhya Sudasara Varshini re-enters planet Earth. Mam Patu Nivayasti Reni Vasanti Bilveswara Kanta Devi Tanumadhya. Next Nama is Tamopaha. Avidya or Tamoguna characteristics of ignorance in three Grandhis being transferred to Shiva, the force of Shiva. Avidya or ignorance was discussed in the Nama Pasupasa Vimochani. The 5 beast-like characteristics are Avidya, Asmita, Raga, Dvesha, and Abhinivesa. Avidya means ignorance. Ignorance is bliss for those who are unconditional, unadulterated, and exhibiting the innocence of an infant. Otherwise, ignorance reflects foolishness or an unevolved personality. It was discussed while explaining Pasupasa Vimochani that fruits of actions of 5 beast-like qualities are being passed to Shiva, and subsequently Universal Mother absorb these unwanted fruits by gambling with Shiva. These are further reinducted into the order and cycle of the universe. However, these beast-like qualities, these are limited to avidya forms of senses that participated in external actions or kamacharana. That means those that were absorbed by the Universal Mother are limited to the external manifested avidya forms in the form of karmacharana. The deeper and inner forms of avidya that was stuck in the filters of 3 knots or 3 granthis were separated and transferred to the custodian who is beyond 5 elements, that is Shiva. This process is carried out in the Nama Tamopaha. How do we remove the blockages or residues in a pipe? By forcing a high velocity fluid, one can remove the blockages in a pipe. Similarly, the qualities of avidya or ignorance that were stuck in the knots of 3 granthis are heavy and hence represent tamoguna. Therefore, we need the force of sattva-guna to get rid of this tamoguna. Through the Nama Tapasaradhya, individual has acquired the training in Sadachara and also the latent power of transforming tamoguna into vaporized form. Similar technique is employed here to evaporate avidya qualities that have become internal bottlenecks that are stuck in the 3 granthis. These vapors obviously reach sky element and from there up to Shiva. Hence, through the Nama Tamopaha, avidya characteristics representing external actions as well as internal bottlenecks were erased. Avidya impressions have vanished from faculty of discretion. Through the Nama Tamopaha, Tatillata Samaruchi re-enters planet Earth. Andah Tava Pravisantiye Vidyapa Panate. In Brahmanda Purana, Vidyanyo Pasana Meyam Nindatyaranyaka Sruti. So with this Nama Tamopaha, this sloka is completed. Taruni Tapasaradhya Tanumadhya Tamopaha. What does it mean? Taruni as faculty of intellect, Tapasaradhya as faculty of personality, Tanumadhya as faculty of discretion, and Tamopaha as faculty of mind. Whose faculties? These are faculties of Universal Mother. Remaining namas we will explore in the next episode. Thank you.